toch?
I think we got a garfish, dude. Be careful, Evan. Oh my God! That's a big gator, buddy. That is a big gator.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Gotta be careful here. Well, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing. Get back.
Now, when you're playing with lions, it's important to never show fear.
Got like a big stick or something. Big stick. It's heavy, whatever it is. That is not a stick. Oh my God, that's not a stick at all. Holy sh**. Holy sh**. Oh my Lord, holy moly. Wow, that changes things.
Hey. 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 Hey.
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away. I promise I'm not gonna bug you. I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I promise. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
He could break right through that glass. Leave it alone.
I have a gun.
I'm walking backwards on the trail back to the camp. I'm walking down the trail and Mom and 2 cubs. So I am continually to walk backwards. And Mom and the cubs keep following me and are walking at least as fast as I am.
Kom even. No, zelf me even. Tam leży, widzisz?
Nó còn bám miệng đấy nhá. Ui.
Cho cái xin anh đây.
You! Oh. Oh. Ah! No! Get the away! Go away! Go away! No! No! You, dude! Holy. Yeah, get the away from me. Face.